G-Speech supports switches with 3.5mm interface. Up to 6 switches can be connected via Y-splitters. Recording is simple. Press the record button to enter recording mode. Then press and hold adaptive switch for 3 seconds. Recording has started. It stops automatically at 30 seconds. Or you can press the switch to stop. Press the record button again to exit recording mode. To play recordings, simply press the connected switch. Switch between 5 available channels using the channel selection button. Or a switch connected to the side port, allowing 6 recordings per channel and 30 in total. To delete current channel recordings, hold the channel button until a beep. Then hold volume down for 2 seconds. To erase all recordings, follow the same steps, but press and hold the volume up button instead.